Asians love haggling, you know, last price everything. Hey everyone, this is Gilson Vergara once again with Dumaguete Life. In short, Duma Life. Thank you for checking out the channel. These sets of videos are going to be geared towards helping expats, Phil-Ams, kababayans, balikbayans learn Bisaya, learn certain gestures, learn how to negotiate, through their being there and negotiate, you know, when buying something. You know, Asians love haggling, you know, last price everything. So this is going to be a quick video of my top 4 ways to haggle or get to the bottom price of whatever you need to get in the Philippines. Disclaimer is, do not use this at this department store. You know, department stores are a given. You can't negotiate unless it's a sale or something like that, or it's a defect or something like that. So this is me showing you how to say it with intention, as if you've been living there, hopefully, for years. Number 1, what's your last price? What's your last price? You know, Unsa Imong last price? Unsa Imong Pinaka last? So those are 2 ways you can deliver it. Unsa Imong last price, or Unsa Imong Pinaka last. Unsa Imong Pinaka last is like, what is your absolute bottom price, like last price. Unsa man Imong Pinaka last. 2, can we negotiate? So in Bisaya, pwede ko mo hangyo, pwede ko, like can I, pwede ko mo hangyo, like hangyo is like a hangyo, like hangyo, like hangyo. Once again, can we negotiate? Pwede ko mo hangyo. So number 3, this is a good thing I use all the time when I'm dealing with certain people, like, you know, when I need to get a bottom price on everything, like I'll be like, oh, but I'm only working with this budget. Can you do something? Or, you know, this is all I have. One of those bits, you know. So I usually say, sige, like sige, like okay, sige, pero mura man akong budget. This is all I have. This is the budget I have. If you want to really get, this is all the money I have. Mura ni akong kwarta, right? Or even another way to say is mura ni akong kwarta gidala. So this is all the money I brought with me. So there's three variations you can hit people off with. And last but not least, number 4. A lot of my Indian friends are really good at this. Number 4. Before I continue, it's 2 simple words. Come on. The expression has to be there. The expression, the face has to be there. Sige, come on. Sige na. Like sige na. Like sige na is like the, I guess, equivalent to come on. I could be wrong, but it's what I do all the time. Sige na. Come on, sige na. Come on, sige na. Sige na. Sige. Come on, sige na. You know, if I gotta go buy a pig, right, or a cow, the cow's like 15K, I'll bring like 12K up there, you know, I'll be like, come on, sige na. Come on, sige. Sige na. Dose. You know, dose is 12. Like, come on, sige na. Dose. Mura ni akong kwarta. Those are my top 4 ways I negotiate down certain prices. Obviously, hotel prices you can't really negotiate. Maybe you can, I don't know, maybe you're that good. Sorry stores, no, you can't really do that. But like flea markets, thrift shops, definitely the market, like for vegetables, for meat and all that stuff. And then when I'm buying goods, cars, equipment, tires, a lot of stuff, you can pretty much use all those things. I hope that brought you some type of value. Once again, I would appreciate, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, greatly appreciate that. Share the video and help me grow this channel. Without you, there is no channel. So take care and I'll see you again. Oh, there will be a new video every single Monday at 9 p.m. and the live stream is going to be at 9 p.m. on Wednesdays. So hopefully I will see you there. Bye.